Hey there, welcome to my channel. Well, in tonight's video, what I thought I'd do is kind of give you some nightlife scenes here, action here in Boracay, Philippines. And I'm currently located here on White Beach, right around station 1 and 2. So I'm gonna go out here, check it out. You can see all the people, and then walk up and down you know, some of the paths and show you what's going on. And this is kind of like the standard activity out here in the evening, so very vibrant out here, as you can see. See all the catamarans out, all types of folks out here. I was out here for the sunrise, or excuse me, sunset last night. It's a little bit dark for the GoPro, so I might have to move inside, but at least this is the, you know, the beach area. I'll get it before it gets too dark, kind of like at nautical twilight. Sun just went down. So I'll move further inside. One thing about these GoPros is they don't really work too well once it gets dark. You have to have some good lighting, so I'm gonna move a little bit further inland near the back establishments. But at least right now it does give you an idea how many folks are on the beach, and it is incredible. Just kind of pan it around. Maybe if I move a little bit further inland, hear that sunset in the distance, although it's already down, but it looks really neat. So this is not too bad. I don't know how far I'm going to walk, but I've really put some mileage in today. I actually walked this entire beach today, which is 4 kilometers. The restaurant scene. At least they got good lighting. Maybe I'll just kind of like loop it around. That way I get some... that way you see what's going on the inside. Ooh, that pizza looks good. See how far this goes in. I'm not really going anywhere in like particular, just kind of wandering. I call it wandering aimlessly. I mean, after all, it's a good setting for it. This is when everybody comes out, really. You know, once the sun goes down, the night lights up. So tell me what you think in the comments. I really appreciate it. I love going out here and exploring around. This is really neat because a lot of times I just come out on almost every place I go. I always try to go out on some of the nightlife areas. I didn't realize how deep it was, though. It's all lined up with all types of shops. And probably most stuff here is very priced. Just saying. I think I'm coming out to the main road area. See what it looks like out there. I have not been out there since arriving. So this is coming out to the road. See all the tricycles. I guess these are all electric now, which is really neat. Got to get this sign right here. And again, it's a little bit dark on the GoPro. That's what it looks like on the other side, but I don't plan on going over there. I'm going to head back to the ocean. A little bit better, I think. But maybe I'll head up this way and then make a right into it. That way I kind of cover some of the backside here. That's the name of it right there. I didn't even know it. I think there's another entrance up here, so kind of get a little bit of the backside until I make my way back to the ocean. It looks like that's another entrance to get down, but I'll walk up here a little bit before I go there.
You, sir? Sir? Deep right?
Probably turn around. Okay, I think instead of continuing up, I'll go back inside, but just kind of give you a feel for what's out here. And you know, if this content helps you out at all, you know, let me know in the comments. I really do love exploring, and this is really cool to come out here and do this and see this. Well lit. Okay, I think this will get me back down to the beach. A little bit darker on the inside here. Oh, not a Palenque. I was running into those markets. Fresh fruit. Mango is 150 pesos a kilo. A little bit pricey out here. Come up here. and make a left and head toward Station 3. And that's the, you can see the peso exchange right there. 1 equals 56.20. That is the current exchange rate as of today. Watch out for these things right here. Just kind of circles around. Tell me what you think about this nightlife here in good old Boracay. I'd really appreciate the comments. It's always, let's see, I'll head this way. I really did do quite a bit of walking today. Starting out this morning, doing a lot. Everybody's out eating. It is really, really packed, believe me. We're coming out to the beach. That's where I want to be. See up there in the front? This is... Okay, here we go. You can see the density of people. Looks like as I start heading down toward 3, it slightly lightens up a little bit. It's getting dark here. Probably turn around here pretty soon. And head the other way. Maybe I'll head up toward Station 1 because I've actually been down here. Oh, no, thank you. I definitely have to stick to this little path because if I go out there, I'm not going to see anything. Oh, definitely have some good lighting here. I think I'll do my reverse direction here shortly. Get some, got a nice setting right here. I think I'll reverse it up here at the Shakey's and go back and head toward 1. See what's up that way, because it kind of lightens up down here, having been down here already.
199 po, lugi pa ako.
Nightlife, just so you know where I'm at. Having been all the way down to 3, the line to get in this place. Back more so good lighting.
4 o'clock.
Lots of t-shirts. Wouldn't mind getting one of those that says Boracay on it though. Not sure how far I'm going to walk down here. Coming back up to the main road on the outside, I decided to try that. There's a map telling me where I'm at. So I just came out from over there. Since I kind of, I didn't want to keep going up Station 3, so So I'll just kind of walk down here a little bit just to see what's here. So you can see from this little mall right here, there's a lot of entrances into the beach area. I was just at that sign earlier, so I'm gonna go back inside and head back to my hotel. I actually covered quite a bit tonight. So tell me what you think about this in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. I love getting feedback on my little traveling adventures, believe me. I mean, how about the setting around here and how it's arranged? You have all these nice eating areas on the inside you can choose from. Just about any type of cuisine you can find. Let's see what's down this way. You gotta meet one of my all-time favorite chicken places right here. Check it out. I love this place. Although I didn't stop here, but this is it. I have to bring it up. That is awesome chicken. It's called In a Cell. I usually try to stay away from mentioning restaurants, but that is some good chicken, believe me. I live off that oftentimes when I'm here. Back out to the beach area. So tell me what you think about this nightlife here where I'm at. I really appreciate it in the comments. Any feedback I get is really quite useful, believe me. See how busy it is tonight. I'm sure it's like this every night. I wouldn't just say tonight. I think it's like this pretty much all year round except for when it rains a lot. So this is the end of this video of my walking tour, kind of showing some of the nightlife here in Boracay, and hope it helps anybody out that comes here. And if it does benefit you, please consider giving it a like. It really does help on my channel. I do this on almost every place I go. I just did it in Vietnam and all the locations I do it in Phuket and Cambodia, Laos, and I just like to come out in the evening and just kind of feel out the nightlife, and I think that's really a good thing. But there is the dark ocean, and I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Boracay, Philippines later.